Happy Friday, everyone. Today I thought I'd talk around the home loan process, but more particularly your involvement and our involvement. With all the years of experience of writing over 10,000 home loan applications, we know what we're doing. So the process starts with a bit of an investment in time from yourself. We will send you a link in relation to what documents you need to gather. It's important to understand that the information you supply is what will be handed to the lender, if the lender requires it, to assess your capabilities of being able to repay your loan. So it's really important to make sure that we get the right information, and that's why I say there's a little bit of investment on your side to gather the right information. Once we've received it all, our team have a discovery meeting with you, and that's a goal setting discussion in relation to what your intentions are, or more importantly, what you're trying to achieve over the short term. Our qualified advisors will work through all of the lender profiles, in particular on the credit side of it. So you might think, yes, we can get a home loan with any lender, but some situations it's not that simple. So it's important to make sure that our team assesses your worthiness or borrowing capacity, in particular when we're talking around cost of living, and make sure that the lenders we approach will more than likely approve your loan. That's why it's very important when you're looking at buying something to set up a pre-approval. We can't assume, or you can't assume, that you'll just get your loan like that. It's important that we set your expectations correctly and get that pre-approval in place before you go to market and buy. But once we've got all your information, we then load it in the state-of-the-art technology in relation to working through calculators, scenarios, working out deposits required, and working through, I suppose, what your end result will look like in relation to what your commitment and repayment will end up. So from there, we would then submit your application. We'd get a valuation if there was a security involved, or you look at refinancing. And as long as everything fits the criteria of a particular lender, our team will then submit that to the lenders. Some lenders can take up to 3 days. Some could even take 2 weeks. It purely depends on their current service turnaround times. And that can blow out week to week depending on what products and lending options they have. If they've got a great rate, yes, it might take a little bit more time because obviously more customers are going to that lender to take advantage of those current rates. So it is important to understand the whole process itself starts with you and our advisors in having that sit-down consultation and working through your current goals and what's involved to make them happen. Keep safe and have a great weekend.